Hello viewers, welcome to all in this new session. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.4. In this exercise 2.4, first we see question 1, and the question is determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. These are the polynomials. Now I am going to solve number 3 and number 4, and you will solve number 1 and number 2. First of all, you have to determine whether x plus 1 is a factor. Then you will put let x plus 1 equal to 0. That is x equal to this x equal to transpose 1 in the right hand side, it becomes minus 1. Now you will write the given polynomial. This, it is px equal to x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Now at the place of x you will put minus 1. P minus 1 equal to minus 1 to the power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 cube plus 3 into, at place of x, minus 1 it is square plus here x minus 1 and last plus 1. Now solve. Minus 1 to the power 4, that means when you multiply minus 1 4 times, your result will be positive. When exponent is an even number, then product of negative numbers is positive, and when exponent is odd, then product of the negative number will be negative. For example, here 4, it is an even number, therefore minus 1 to the power 4 it will be positive. Here minus 1, its power is 3, which is odd number, then minus 1 to the power 3 it will be negative. So this will be plus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 to the power 3, it will be minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 square, this 2 it is even number, therefore minus 1 square it will be plus 1 plus into minus 1 plus 1. It is 1 plus into minus 3 1 the 3 plus 3 1 the 3 minus 1 plus 1. Now 1 minus 3 plus 3, 3 minus 3 0 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel 0, then it is 1. Therefore remainder p minus 1, it is 1, which is not equal to 0. Since remainder is not 0, therefore x plus 1 is not a factor. If remainder is 0, then you will say x plus 1 is a factor. Therefore x plus 1 is not a factor. Now number 4, same. You have to determine x plus 1 is a factor, then you will put x plus 1 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. Now the given polynomial, this px equal to x cube minus x square minus within bracket 2 plus root over 2x plus root over 2. In place of x you will write minus 1, then p minus 1 it is equal to here minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 2 plus root over 2 x minus 1 plus root over 2. Now it is minus 1 cube, as you know this will be negative minus 1 minus 1 square, it will be positive 1, then it will be 1. This minus remains as it is. Now see here, this minus into this minus 1 should be multiplied in this, that is this minus 1 should multiplied here, then minus into minus it become plus, and by 1 you multiply these two, and these two will remain as it is, that is 2 plus root over 2 and plus root over 2. Minus 1 it is minus 2 plus this 2 plus root over 2 both are same like terms, then you will add according to their sign, here 1 and there 1 plus 1 2 root over 2. This minus 2 plus 2 0, therefore 2 root over 2, this is the remainder. Therefore remainder p minus 1, it is equal to 2 root over 2, which is not equal to 0. 0 nahi hai. Therefore, you will say x plus 1 is not a factor. Now you will solve question number 1 and 2 of this question. Now see question 2, use factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px. This question 2 you will solve as the question number 1. When you get the remainder 0, then you will say gx is a factor of px. If remainder is not 0, then you will say gx is not a factor of px. In this question, I am going to solve this number 2 question, and remaining 1 and 3 you will solve. Now for number 2, let gx equal to 0 implies that gs x plus 2 equal to 0 implies that x equal to this 2 transpose in the right hand side, it will be minus 2. Now px x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 1. Now in place of x write minus 2. P minus 2 x minus 2 cube plus 3 into x square minus 2 square plus 3 into x minus 2 minus 1. Sorry, this is not minus 1, this one is plus 1. This plus 1 plus 1. P minus 2 cube, that is minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 square 4 plus into minus 3 2 is 6 plus 1. It is minus 8 plus 12, 3 4 is 12, minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. Minus 8 minus 12, it is 4 minus 5, it is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, gx equal to x plus 2 is not a factor. Now question 3. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px in each of the following cases. These are the questions from 1 to 4. These are the questions from 1 to 4. Now I am going to solve from question 2. I am going to solve from the question 2 and you have to solve question 1. Now for the question 2, see, this x minus 1 is a factor, that means you will put x minus 1 equal to 0. That means you will calculate value of x from here, and that is the zeros of this. And then x, it is equal to plus 1. Transpose minus 1 right hand side. Now px for question 2, 2x square plus kx plus root over 2. In the place of x, write 1. Then this p1, it is equal to 2 into 1 square plus k into x1 plus root over 2. P1 equal to 2 into 1 square 1 plus k into 1 k plus root over 2. P1 equal to 2 1 is 2 plus k plus root over 2. But x minus 1 is a factor, implies that remainder p1 equal to 0. x minus 1 एक फैक्टर है, therefore ये p1 जो रिमाइंडर है ये 0 होना चाहिए. That means p1 equal to 0 लिखेंगे. p1 का वैल्यू हमको मिला है 2 plus k plus root over 2 and it should be equal to 0. From here you will calculate value of k equal to this minus 2 and this minus root over 2. You can write k equal to, take minus common, then it will be, it will be 2 plus root over 2, and this is the answer. Now number 3, you have to find the value of k, where x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. That means you will put first x minus 1 equal to 0 and value of x will be 1. Now the px given polynomial for question number 3, kx square minus root over 2x plus 1. In place of x write 1. This p1 equal to this k into x square, that is 1 square, minus root over 2 into x1 plus 1. p1 equal to 1 square 1 into k minus root over 2 into 1 root over 2 plus 1. But x minus 1 is a factor, implies that p1 equal to 0. Remainder 0 होना चाहिए, therefore remainder is k minus root over 2 plus 1 equal to 0. From here you will calculate value of k equal to, transpose this root over 2 in the right hand side, it will be plus 2 and this 1 becomes minus 1. This is the answer. Now number 4, same thing, x minus 1 is a factor, then put x minus 1 equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. Now px, it is equal to px equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. In place of x write 1, k into 1 square minus 3 into x1 plus k. p1 1 square 1 into k minus 3 1 the 3 plus k. p1 k plus k positive, this one is positive, then add k plus k 2k minus 3. But x minus 1 is a factor, implies that p1 equal to 0. X minus 1 is a factor, therefore p1 equal to 0. Now p1 it is 2k minus 3 and it should be 0. This 2k equal to, transpose 3 in the right hand side, minus 3 becomes plus 3, and k it is equal to 3, it is divided by 2. This is the answer. For today, that's all.